What do you see? Are those eggs?
No.
What?
No.
Elmo. What's that? What else do you see in your basket, Drew?
No.
Go get Elmo. You found a cookie? What's on the cookie? What is that? What is that, Drew? Is that a duck? What does a duck say? You say, I don't care what a duck says. I got a cookie. Can you show me Elmo? Whoops.
No.
Yeah. Are you going to give Elmo a kiss?
Torchies.
Oh, okay. I see. That's what we care about most this morning, huh? And we gotta wait till the wrapper's off of them.